Okay, this is a short tutorial on how to change our free PBX system from the default American sound prompts to a set of British prompts. To work on Asterisk, free PBX, Elastics, PBX and a Flash, any of the distributions, they're all the same. Pretty straightforward once you know where you're going with it. So first thing we need to do on the console of the server is change into the directory where Asterisk keeps the sound files, and this is in var lib asterisk sounds. We need to create a directory for our new sound files to go in. You can call it anything you want. I'm going with en_UK. Change directory to there. Okay, now we need to get the files. They're pretty freely available on the internet. There's a site which is here, tell.net. They've got them all available on there for free download. They're free to use. We need 4 files, which is the asterisk base sounds, the additional sounds, and then there's 2 subsets which will change the prompts to say hash instead of pound. The Americans it's an Americanism to use pound as a reference to the hash key. So if we can change that for the users, it saves a bit of confusion later on. Right, so I'm going to download the GSM files. You can do the PSM, they're just PCM, they work just as easily. So it's as simple as this. We just copy the link address back to our terminal, wget, paste the address which is copied in there, and down it comes. Get the next one. And subsets. Okay, so now we should have 4 files in the directory. There we go. Right, so we just need to unpack them now. First one. Okay, so that's our 4 files unpacked into the directory. If we have a look at those, we're going to see that the ownership of the files is not correct. The files need to be owned by asterisk users, so we're just going to change that now simply by using the chown command. We're going to change the ownership, group ownership and user ownership to asterisk. So it's as simple as that. There we go, it should be all done. Okay, all owned by asterisk, easy peasy. Right, next step in the process is probably the easiest of all. We just need to go to our free PBX GUI and we go to where are we? Asterisk SIP settings, and we go into the chance SIP part, and down at the bottom here there is a setting for language. All we're doing there is put in the name of the directory we created where we put the British voice prompts. Let's make the changes, apply them, and we should have a set of British sounding voice prompts now. So we'll just give it a test by dialing voicemail on this soft phone here, and hopefully we'll get to hear the nice British gentleman instead of the nice American lady. Let's give it a go.
You have no messages. Press 2 to change folders. Press 3 for advanced options. Press 0 for mail. Press star for help.
So there we go. Changed it to British voice prompts. Simple as that. Shouldn't take you more than about 10 minutes, I wouldn't have thought. Okay.